So my face is kind of burning. I don't know if it's the foundation or the baby skin primer, but welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mallory. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Thank you. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've already put some concealer under my eyes because it looks like I have not slept in like 10 years. So now I'm going to, I made sure not to cover like my problem areas, so I am going to try this out. I've been seeing nothing but good reviews on it, so let's see if y'all know what y'all talking about. So I'm just going to like spray it on my face just like I normally would. Oh, that looks like a lot. And I've already primed and everything. And for primer, I'm using the Madeline Baby Skin. I got this at Walgreens the other day. I've also seen reviews on this, which are it's supposed to be really good also. So, alright, I am going to use a brush to blend this in. Just kind of dab it over that concealer because I don't want it to blend. I want that concealer to stay. If y'all have any good recommendations for like bags under the eyes, please share with me in the comments. I am looking kind of dewy, which is different than what the look I normally go for, but whatever. Just gonna keep going and see how it goes. It might also be due to the fact that I put a lot on there. To take I have a concealer stick. This is by Radiance in the color, I don't know what color it is, it didn't actually say, so with cream contour, I like to contour first, that way you can like fix anything that you like did wrong. I'm going to take that same brush that I put my foundation on with and blend this contour out. Now that I've got that contour on, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. The color I use is Pure Beige. I'm like so dewy, like I don't even want to put this on. It's like I'm just gonna keep getting more shiny. Take my wet beauty blender and blend this out. I'm gonna bring it up on my eyelids because I do want to go ahead and do some eyeshadow after this. After I put the setting powder on, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring this up. Still looking pretty dewy. Still looking pretty dewy. Now I'm gonna go in with my Sascha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to take my same sponge I just used and start applying that on top of the concealer. Look crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to do nothing. So now I'm gonna take my setting powder and kind of straighten out that contour right there. foundation or the baby skin primer, but it's like right here in this area. For my eye look today, I'm just going to do something quick. I'm going to use my Box of Crayons palette. I have not used this palette in such a long time, so I'm going to use it today. So I'm going to go with something like kind of natural looking. So I'm going to use this tan color right here first and put that in my crease. My brush is kind of dirty, so it might be a little bit of a different color. Next, I'm going to take this color right here, just the brown, and I'm going to do the same thing-ish. I'm using the same brush. I'm just going to kind of blend it into that. Just a little bit lower, like not taking it up as high. I'll go this Tarte palette and use this color Compass. And just put it right on top. I didn't put anything on this brush. I'm just going back over it. I didn't want to spend too much time on this eye look because I want to go ahead and blend out this setting powder before it sits on here for way too long. This eyeliner is turning out way more dramatic than I was expecting. Now that I've got all that on there, I'm gonna take, I use this L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder. I use this to blend out the setting powder, so I don't want that yellow look. I want it to look like natural. Dang, y'all see that contour? Hello. This also will set the rest of your face too. That's why I'm just like pushing it all around. But it doesn't take away from that contour. Okay, so I'm using my NYX Matte bronzer. I'm just going to bring that down to intensify the contour. I'm gonna go back through and just kind of warm up my face. Now for my nose, I am going to use a smaller brush to do that. I'm just going to bring this down right here on my nose. This might be a little too much contour on the nose, so I usually do go back with my brush after letting it set for a couple minutes and clean that up. So while that's setting, I am going to go ahead and put on some lashes. Okay, so now that lashes are on and mascara, I'm going to take that same brush and just kind of lightly buff out my nose just a little bit. I'm going to use my CoverGirl blush. This is Iced Plum. I haven't used this one in a while. This one gives you like more of a natural like. Next for highlight, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution kit, my fave at the moment, and I'm going to use this color right here. First, I'm going to spray my brush and then put it on there. Or maybe I should put it on there and then spray the brush. I haven't done that before, so put that on there first. I'm going to spray it with my setting spray. Ooh. I can get into that. Now to do the bridge of my nose, I'm going to use a little bit of a different color. I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to use my finger. Okay, now for lip color, I'm going to use a combination of things as usual. So for lip color, I'm going to use the color Spirit by MAC. It is a nude. It's way too pink for my lips, so I'm going to go in with my NYX Fudge It, my lip cream stuff. This stuff is so soft. Like, if y'all have not tried this stuff, oh my gosh, it's so soft. It makes my lips feel amazing. If you guys see me on Instagram or anything with a lip color, this is probably it. This is like my go-to like lip combination. And if you're not following me on Instagram, like, what's wrong with you? Go ahead and do that. It's at Mallory Alexis.